Your brand needs to evolve. If you stay stuck in the past, you will get left behind. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Janae, a brand designer, product photographer, videographer, and website designer. I help entrepreneurs elevate their brands through strategy, design, and video content. Yes, video. And listen, I know video content can be intimidating. A few years ago, I was the same person saying I'll never create video. Now, I'm a videographer, and I help clients create high-quality video content for their brands. Life is funny like that. But here's the thing, your brand needs to evolve. If you stay stuck in the past, you will get left behind. Social media is changing, marketing is changing, and if you're still relying on outdated strategies, you're making it harder for yourself to grow. So in today's video, we're breaking down the following: why evolving your brand is necessary for long-term success, how to embrace video content even if it scares you, lessons from past clients who had to shift their strategy to grow. If you're ready to level up, grab your notebook. All right, let's get real for a second. Think about the brands you love, the ones that always feel fresh, relevant, and ahead of the game. You know why? They evolve. Now think about brands that used to be popular but completely disappeared. A lot of the time, it's because they refused to adapt. They kept doing the same things that worked years ago, but the industry moved on without them. Here's a truth you need to accept. What worked in 2019 is not guaranteed to work in 2025. Social media algorithms change. Audiences' behaviors shift. The way people consume content is evolving. And if you're not evolving with it, you're making yourself invisible. Here's what I mean. Remember when Instagram was all about photos? Now video is dominating. Remember when business could grow just from word of mouth? Now digital content is essential. And remember when brands could get away with being faceless? Now people want connection. So if you're still resisting video, still using outdated marketing tactics, or still thinking that's just not for me, I need you to rethink that. I know, video is scary at first. Putting yourself out there, figuring out what to say, dealing with the fear of judgment, it's a lot. But let me tell you something. You don't have to be perfect to start. I used to say I could never do video. Now, I shoot video content for clients. I create my own video content regularly, and I help brands use video to grow their business. If I can go from avoiding video to making it my entire job, trust me, you can create video content. Here's why video is non-negotiable in 2025. People prefer video over text. Studies show that people retain 95% of a message when they watch it in video form, versus only 10% when they read it. Social media platforms push video. Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, they all prioritize video content. Video builds trust faster. People want to see you. They want to hear your voice, feel your energy, and connect with your brand. And listen, if you have no idea where to start, hire a professional, but don't be scared to start on your own either. Here's what I tell my clients who are nervous about video. Start small. Film a quick intro video or behind the scenes clip. Use what you have. Your phone camera is enough to get started. And repurpose content. Turn your blogs or captions into short videos. The goal is progress, not perfection. Now let me share some real life examples of brands that had to evolve and the results they saw. So one of my clients was a business owner who refused video at first. So they run a coaching business, and my client was stuck in the way of old school marketing, just posting graphics and long captions, and she wasn't getting the engagement she wanted. I told her, you need to show up in your content. Your audience needs to see you. She was hesitant, but then she finally started posting short video clips, introducing herself, sharing quick tips, and answering frequently asked questions. And guess what happened? Her engagement went up, more people started reaching out to her for her services, and she started booking more clients because people felt connected to her. All because she finally embraced video. Another client of mine was selling handmade products. She was used to just posting product photos, but I told her, people don't just buy products. They buy stories and experiences. So we switched up her content strategy. Instead of just photos, we added product demo videos. Instead of only posting the product, she showed herself using it. And instead of generic posts, she started talking to her audience. The result, more shares, more saves, and an increase in sales. These clients had to step outside of their comfort zone. But once they did, their brand started growing. If you're realizing that your brand is stuck in the past, don't worry, I've got you. Here's Here's how to start evolving today. Audit your brand. Be honest with yourself. What's outdated? What needs a refresh? Embrace video. Whether it's Reels, TikTok, or YouTube, get on camera. Engage with your audience differently. Try new content formats. Test different messaging and see what works. And stay adaptable. The digital space is always changing. Don't get too comfortable. At the end of the day, your brand is either growing or getting left behind. The choice is yours. So if you're serious about staying relevant and building something sustainable, start evolving now. Stop being scared of video because your brand needs it. And keep adapting to what your audience wants. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more branding and marketing tips, and drop a comment below. What's one thing that you know you need to change in your brand right now? Let's talk about it. Until next time, keep evolving, keep elevating, and I'll see you in my next video.